Hey everyone, welcome back to Motor Madness. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2025 Toyota minibus, a vehicle built for versatility, efficiency, and comfort. Whether you're a business owner, a shuttle operator, or just someone who needs extra space for passengers, this minibus is designed to deliver. Stick around as we break down the exterior, interior, performance, and pricing to see if this is the right vehicle for you. Let's start with the exterior. Toyota has given this minibus a modern yet practical design. It's built for functionality, but that doesn't mean it lacks style. The front fascia features a bold grille with sleek LED headlights that wrap around the sides, giving it a sharp and contemporary look. The body is aerodynamically sculpted, helping with fuel efficiency while maintaining a sturdy and boxy structure that maximizes interior space. The side profile showcases large windows for excellent visibility and a high roofline to accommodate taller passengers comfortably. The rear has wide opening doors for easy access, along with LED taillights that add a premium touch. Toyota offers a variety of color options, from classic white for commercial use to more vibrant shades for those who want to stand out. Stepping inside, the 2025 Toyota minibus is all about space and convenience. Depending on the configuration, you can get seating for up to 15 passengers, making it a great choice for transport businesses, schools, or even large families. The seats are designed for long-distance comfort, with supportive cushioning and durable upholstery options, including fabric and synthetic leather. The driver's area is well laid out, featuring a modern dashboard with a digital instrument cluster and a large touchscreen infotainment system. Toyota has integrated smartphone connectivity, navigation, and a high-quality sound system to keep everyone entertained on the go. Air conditioning vents are spread throughout the cabin to ensure even cooling, and there are plenty of storage compartments for personal belongings. Safety is also a priority, with features like multiple airbags, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system for easier maneuvering. Now, let's talk about performance. The 2025 Toyota minibus comes with a reliable and fuel-efficient engine, offering both petrol and diesel options depending on the market. The standard engine is a 2.8-liter turbo diesel, producing around 201 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque, paired with either a 6-speed automatic or manual transmission. There's also a 3.5-liter V6 petrol variant for those who prefer more power. Toyota has optimized the suspension system for a smooth and stable ride, even when carrying a full load. The steering is responsive, making city driving and highway cruising equally comfortable. Fuel efficiency is a strong point, with the diesel variant offering impressive mileage, making it a cost-effective choice for commercial users. Additionally, Toyota has included an eco mode and stop-start system to further enhance efficiency. Finally, let's go over the pricing. Toyota offers multiple configurations for the minibus, so the price varies depending on seating capacity, engine choice, and trim level. The base model starts at around $45,000, offering essential features and a strong build for fleet buyers. The mid-range variant, which includes additional comfort and tech features, is priced around $50,000. For those who want the top-of-the-line version with premium materials, advanced safety tech, and extra convenience features, expect to pay close to $60,000. Keep in mind that prices may vary based on your region, taxes, and additional customization options. Overall, the 2025 Toyota minibus is a solid choice for those who need a reliable, spacious, and efficient vehicle. It delivers on all fronts: design, comfort, performance, and safety, making it a worthy investment. What do you think about this minibus? Would you consider it for your business or personal use? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Motor Madness for more in-depth car reviews. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.